Hello, my name is David. I am a student. I live in Canada. My dream is to be a doctor. I study hard every day. My father helps me. My mother always inspires me. Sometimes my little sister watches me study. She says she also wants to be a doctor like me. I wake up early in the morning. I make my bed and get ready for school. The weather is cold, but I never miss class. Sometimes it snows and the streets are white. I take the bus and reach school on time. My teachers are kind and helpful. They tell me to keep trying and never give up. My friends also support me. We study together before exams. I like science. Biology is my favorite subject. Sometimes I find it difficult, but I study again and again until I understand. My teacher says that patience is important for doctors. I try to remember that every day. I also love learning about the human body. It amazes me how every part works together. After school, I go to work. I work in a small grocery store. I pack items and help customers. It is not easy, but I learn many things. I save money for my future studies. My father is proud of me. My boss at the store also encourages me. He says, "You are young, but very responsible." When I come home, my mother waits for me. She cooks dinner and asks about my day. Her smile gives me strength. I feel happy and safe at home. The smell of her cooking makes me feel warm inside. After dinner, I sit with my family. We talk and laugh together. Sometimes my father tells funny stories from his childhood. My little sister listens and laughs loudly. Those moments make me forget my tiredness. They remind me how lucky I am to have a loving family. On weekends, I go to the hospital to volunteer. I help nurses and talk to patients. I also help push wheelchairs and carry water bottles. They smile when I talk to them. It makes me feel good. One old man once said, "You will be a great doctor." I never forgot his words. I also watch doctors work carefully. They treat people with kindness and care. Sometimes they teach me small things, like how to talk to patients politely. I want to learn to do that too. When I leave the hospital, I always feel proud of myself. Sometimes I feel tired. I have many things to do. I study, work, and volunteer. Sometimes I also help my sister with her homework. But I never lose hope. I look at the stars at night and dream. I say to myself, one day I will wear a white coat. Sometimes I write my goals in a notebook. I also draw small pictures of stethoscopes and hospitals beside them. Reading them gives me new motivation. It reminds me that every dream starts small. In summer, I take extra classes. I read books about famous doctors. Dr. Banting is my hero. He discovered insulin and saved many lives. I want to be like him. I also watch science videos online. They help me understand things better. Sometimes I do small science experiments at home. My mother watches and smiles proudly. Learning new things always makes me happy. My friends ask me why I want to be a doctor. I tell them because I want to help people. Some say it is hard. I say nothing is impossible. They smile and say I am brave. We promise to support each other in our dreams. Sometimes we sit together in the library and plan our future. We share our hopes and fears. My father works very hard. He says, "Study well and make us proud." He leaves early and comes home late, but never complains. My mother prays for me every morning. She says, "Education is the best gift." I listen to her words every day. Sometimes she helps me review my lessons. She enjoys seeing me learn new things. When I get good grades, she hugs me with joy. Their love pushes me to keep trying. I know the road is long. It takes time and effort, but I am not afraid. I am ready for all challenges. I believe every hard day teaches me something. Each mistake helps me grow stronger. I remind myself that success takes time. Slow progress is still progress. I want to study medicine in a good university. I want to be a children's doctor. I love children. I want to see them smile again. I imagine myself in a hospital helping them. That dream gives me power. I hope to travel to other countries one day. I want to help poor children who cannot afford treatment. I also want to open a small clinic in my hometown someday. I want to treat people with care and love. Living in Canada teaches me many things. I learn about kindness and respect. I meet people from many countries. We all share the same dreams. My teachers say diversity makes us stronger. I agree with them completely. I love learning about other cultures and foods. It makes life colorful and interesting. I will keep working hard. I will not give up. One day I will be a doctor. I will thank my parents and teachers. I will remember my journey. Step by step, I am getting closer to my dream. I know that one day my dream will come true. That thought makes me smile every night. Before sleeping, I close my eyes and imagine my future. In my dream, I wear a white coat and help people with a happy heart. My dream of becoming a doctor gives me purpose in life. I know the road is not easy, but I believe that hard work and patience can make anything possible. My parents, teachers, and friends always guide and support me. I will keep studying and working hard until I reach my goal. One day, I will proudly wear my white coat and help people live better lives. That will be the happiest moment of my life.